Dear students, today we are going to start R.D. Sharma book of mathematics. So the chapter is measurement of angles. This is chapter number 4, exercise 4.1 and question number first. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. Use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Here in this question we have to find out the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. Radian measures are given, we have to convert them into degree measure. Part first, 9 pi by 5 radian. This radian we have to convert into degrees. So we have one relation, since pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So here 9 pi upon 5 radian. So multiply this 9 pi by 5 radian by 180 by pi degree, then it will be converted into degree, which is equal to 9 pi by 5 into 180 upon pi degree. Now this is degree. Simplify this. This pi gets cancelled. 5 3s are 15. Carry over 3. 5 6 are 30. Which is equal to 9 into 36 degree. Multiply by this. 9 6 are 54. 4. Carry over 5. 9 3 are 27 plus 5 32. 324 degree. This is the required degree measure. 324 degree. Question number first, part second. Minus 5 pi by 6 radian. So this minus sign and 5 pi by 6 multiply by 180 by pi. This much degree. Simplify this. Pi cancelled. 6 3s are 18. 3 and 0. Which is equal to minus 5 into 30 degree is equal to minus 0. 5 3s are 15. So this is minus 150 degree. This is the required degree measure. Part third. 18 pi by 5 radian. 5 radian is equal to. Sometimes this type of C written for the radian, and this C stands for circular measure. Basically radian is the circular measure, so this C for circular measure. 18 pi by 5 radian. So this is 18 pi by 5 multiply by 180 upon pi, this much degree. Now simplify this. This pi cancelled. 5 3s are 15. Carry over 3. 5 6 are 30. Now multiply this, which is equal to 18 into 36 degree. Multiply by 18. 18 6 are 108. Carry over 10. 18 3 are 54 plus 10 64. 648 degree. This is the required degree measure. Question number first, part 4. minus 3 radian. Minus 3 radian is equal to, write this minus sign outside, 3 into 180 upon pi degree. This much degree multiplying by 180 by pi. Now here we can put pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So which is equal to minus 3 into 180 upon 22 upon 7 degree. This is double fraction, so we can shift this 7 in numerator, which is equal to minus 3 into 180 into 7 divided by 22. Simplify this. We can cancel this by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, and 2 9 ja 18, and this is 0. This much degree. Now simplify this further. Minus 3 into 90 into 7 divided by 11 degree, which is equal to minus, denominator is 11, 3 9 ja 27. So now we have to make the complete degree for this dividing by 11. So divide this 1890 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 7, and bring down this 9. 11 7 ja 77. This is 2, and bring down this 0. 11 1 ja 11. This is 9. So 171 and 9 upon 11. So this is minus 171 and 9 upon 11. This much degree. This much degree. Now here 171 is the complete degree, and this 9 upon degree is not complete. So we have to convert this 9 upon 11 degree into minute. So minus 171 degree, this is complete degree, and 171 complete degree, and this 9 upon 11, we have to convert this into minute. So we have the conversion, since 1 degree is equal to so here we have got this much degree, 171 and 9 upon 11 degree. So this minus 171 complete degree, and we have to convert this 9 upon 11 degree into minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So here this much degree, 9 upon 11 degree. So just multiplying by 60. So 9 upon 11 into 60. Now it is in minute. It is in minute. So simplify this, minus 171 degree, and this is 9 6 ja 54, 540 upon 11 minutes. Now divide this 540 by 11. 540 divided by 11. 11 4 ja 44, 0 1 10, bring down this 0. 11 9 ja 99 and this 1. So we can write this minus 171 degree 49 and 1 upon 11 and 1 upon 11 1 upon 11 this much minutes. So here 49 minutes are complete. So write complete minute. So we can write minus 171 degree 49 minute, and we have to convert this 1 upon 11 minute into second. 1 upon 11, this 1 upon 11 minute we have to convert into second. So for this we have one conversion. Since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. In 1 minute 60 seconds. So for 1 upon 11 minute we can multiply by 60 second. So this is multiplying by 60. So this is total second. Minus 171 degree 49 minute and 60 upon 11 seconds. Now divide this 60 by 11. Divide the 60 by 11. 11 5s are 55. There you are 5. Bring down this 5. So 60 upon 11 second we can write 5 second into 5 by 11. So which is equal to minus 171 degree 49 minute, and this is 5 and 5 upon 11 second. We can write like this. So here 5 seconds complete and 5 upon 11. So approximately we can write 1 minus 71 degree 49 minute and 5 seconds. Approximately 5 seconds. We can leave this part. 5 upon 11 second. So it should be the required degree measure. 100 minus 171 degree 49 minute and 5 second. Question number first, parts 5th. 11 radian is equal to 11 into 180 upon pi degree. Now put pi is equal to 22 upon 7. 11 into 180 upon 22 upon 7 degree, which is equal to 11 into 180 into 7 divided by 22 degree. 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, and this 180 we can cancel by this 2 90 times. So which is equal to 90 into 7 degree. 9 7 ja 63 or 7 9 is 63, 630 degree. This is the required degree measure, 630 degree. Question number 1, part 6. 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to 1 into 180 by pi degree. Put pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So 1 into 180 upon 22 upon 7 degree. This is double fraction, so we can shift this 7 in numerator. So 180 into 7 divided by 22 degree. Simplify this, cancelling by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, and this is 0. So which is equal to 90 into 7 divided by 11 degree, which is equal to 9 7 ja 63, 630 upon 11 degree. Now we have to convert this degree into complete degree, minute and second. So divide the 630 by 11. 630 divided by 11. 11 5 ja 55. 13 minus 5 8. Bring down 0. 11 7 ja 77. This 3 left. Remainder is 3. So this 630 upon 11 degree we can write 57 and 3 upon 11 degree. So this is 57 complete degree, and we have to convert this 3 upon 11 degree into minute. So this 3 upon 11 into 60 minute. Reason, since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So in this much degree, 3 upon 7 degree we can multiply by 60. So 3 upon 11 into 60 minute, which is equal to 57 degree, and this is 3 6 18, 180 upon 11 minute. Now divide this 180 by 11. 180 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11. 7 0. 11 6 ja 66. 4. So we can write this 57 degree to 16 and 4 upon 11 minute. So here this 16 complete minute, 57 degree, 16 minute, and we have to convert this 4 upon 11 minute into second. So since 1 minute is equal to 60 second, so for 4 upon 11 minute, just multiplying by 60. So this much second. Simplify this. 57 degree, 16 minute, and this is 4 6 24, 240 upon 11 seconds. Divide this 240 by 11. 240 by 11, 11 2 ja 22, 2 2 2, 11 1 ja 11, and this is 9. So which is equal to 57 degree 16 minutes and 21 and 9 upon 11 second. So approximately we can write 21 seconds. 57 degree 16 minute and 27. So this is 57 degree 16 minute and approximately 21 second. This is the required degree measure. 57 degree 16 minutes and 21 second. Approximately this is not exact 21 second. It is approximately 21 second. Now question number second. Find the radian measures corresponding to the question number second. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measures. Here degree measures are given. We have to convert them into radian. So first part 300 degree. We have the relation since pi radian is equal to 180 degree or 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So therefore 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So if you want to convert the degree into radian, then just multiply by pi by 180 radian. Then degree will be converted into radian. So 300 degree, we can convert this 300 degree into radian just multiplying by pi by 180 radian here. So 300 into pi by 180, this much radian. This is radian. Simplify this 0 0 cancelled and cancelled by 6, 6 3s are 18 and 6 5s are 30, which is equal to 5 upon 5 pi upon 3. 5 pi upon 3 radian. 5 pi upon 3 radian. This is the required radian measure. 5 pi by 3 radian. Question number second part 35 radian. Sorry. Question number second part 35 degree. So 35 degree we have to convert it into radian. So for converting into radian, just multiply by pi by 180. 35 into pi by 180 radian. This is radian. Simplify this. 5 7 ja 35, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 6 ja 30. So which is equal to 7 pi by 36 radian. This is the required radian measure. Question number second part third. Minus 56 degree is equal to minus sign 56 into pi by 180 radian multiplying by pi by 180. Simplify this. Cancel by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 carry over 2, 4 5 ja 20. So which is minus 14 pi by 45. 14 pi by 45 radian. 14 pi by 45 radian. This is the required radian measure. 14 pi by 45 radian. Question number second, part 4. 135 degree. 135 degree is equal to 135 into pi by 180 radian multiplying by pi by 180. This much radian. Simplify this. 15 9 ja 135, 15 1 ja 15, carry over 3, 15 2 ja 30. Again by 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So which is equal to 3 pi by 4 radian. This is the required radian. 3 pi by 4. Question number second, part 5th. Minus 300 degree. So minus 300 degree minus 300 into pi by 180 radian. Simplify this. 0 0 cancel. 6 5 ja 30 and 6 3 ja 18. So which is equal to minus 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 radian. Minus 5 pi by 3 radian. This is the required radian measure. Question number second, part 6. 7 degree 30 minute is equal to, first we have to convert this minute into degree. So since we have the conversion, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute or 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. So therefore 1 degree is equal to 1, since we have the conversion 1 degree is equal to 60 minute or 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. So therefore 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 degree. 1 upon 60 degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 degree. So we can convert this 30 minute into degree multiplying by 1 by 60. So which is equal to this 7 plus 7 degree complete plus this 30 into 1 upon 60. Now it is complete degree multiplying by 1 by 60. So 32 ja 60, 32 ja 60. So this we can write 7 plus 1 upon 2 degree. Take LCM, 2 LCM, 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 degree, which is equal to 15 by 2 degree. Now we can convert this degree into radian. 15 by 2 multiplying by pi by 180. Pi by 180, this much radian. This is radian. Simplify this. 15 1 ja 15, 3, 15 2 ja 30. So which is equal to pi by 12 2 ja 24. 24 radian. This is the required radian measure. Question number second, part 7. 150 degree. Question number second, part 7. 125 degree 30 minute. So first convert this 30 minute into degree. So we can write this 125 degree 125 plus 30 into 1 upon 60. This is complete degree. Multiply by 1 by 60. Simplify this. 30 1 ja 30 and 32 ja 60. Simplify this. 30 1 ja 30, 32 ja 60. So which is equal to 125 plus 1 upon 2 degree. Take LCM. 2 LCM. 125 to ja 250 plus 1 degree, which is equal to 251 upon 2 degree. This is degree only. Now convert this degree into radian, multiplying by pi by 180. So 251 upon 2 into pi by 180. Pi by 180, this is radian. So no term will be cancelled here. So directly 251 pi upon 180 to the 360. This much radian. This is the required radian measure. Question number second, part 8. Minus 47 degree 30 minute. First convert into only degree. So this is minus and this 47 plus this 30 minute multiplying by 1 by 60. This is complete degree. Multiplying by 1 by 60. 31 ja 30, 32 ja 60, which is equal to minus 47 plus 1 upon 2 degree. Take LCM. LCM 2. 47 to ja 94 plus 1 degree, which is equal to minus 95 upon 2 degree. Now we have to convert this degree into radian. So minus 95 upon 2 multiplying by pi by 180. This much radian. We can simplify this, dividing by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 4 5 9 ja 45, 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30. So which is equal to minus 19 pi by 36 to ja 72 radian. This is the required radian measure. Question number third. The difference between the two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 2 pi upon 5 radians. Express the angles in degrees. Here the difference of two acute angles of a right angle triangle is given 2 pi by 5 radians. So we have to express the angles in radian. You know, in a right angle triangle, this is 90-degree angle. This is right angle triangle. This is one acute angle. We can take this theta. This theta. So if this is theta, this is 90. So this will be 90 minus theta. So this theta and this 90 minus theta, both the angles are acute angle. Their difference is given 2 pi by 5. So we have to find out the values of these angles in degrees. So difference between two acute angles since difference between two acute angles is equal to 2 pi by 5 radians. It is given in radians. So here this radian here difference between these two acute angles, this angle theta and 90 minus theta, difference between these two is 2 pi by 5. So which angle is bigger here? This theta is bigger than this, so for difference we have to subtract the smaller one from bigger one. So theta minus 90 degree minus theta is equal to 2 pi by 5. So here we substituted the angles in degrees, so we have to convert this radian into degree also. So for converting radian into degree, since pi radian is equal to 180 degree, so therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So multiply by 180 by pi. Here 180 by pi degree. This much degree. Sorry. Multiply by 180 by pi degree. So this is 180 by pi. Now it is converted into degree, total degree. Simplify this. Theta, open this bracket, minus 90 degree minus minus plus theta is equal to, this pi gets cancelled, 5 3s are 15 and 0. 5 3s are 15 and 5 6s are 30. So it is 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. So theta plus theta, 2 theta is equal to 72 degree. 72 degree, shift this minus 90 degree plus 90 degree. So 2 theta is equal to 72 plus 92, 9 plus 7, 16, 162 degree. So which is equal to, theta is equal to, dividing by 2, 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 81 degree. So one acute angle came 18 degree. So another angle, therefore the two acute angles be, therefore the two acute angles are theta is equal to 81 degree and 90 degree minus theta is equal to 90 degree minus 81 degree is equal to 9 degree. So these are the two acute angles, theta is equal to 81 degree and 90 degree minus theta is equal to 9 degree. These are the answers. Question number 4. Here one angle of a triangle is given 2x upon 3 grade, another is given 3x upon 2 degrees, and third one angle is given pi x upon 75 radians. So we have to convert them into degrees only. So first let theta 1 is equal to 2x upon 3 grades. So for converting grade into degree, since we have the conversion 100 grade is equal to 90 degree. So therefore 1 grade is equal to 90 upon 100 degree, or we can simplify this, 0 0 cancelled, so therefore that is 1 grade is equal to 9 upon 10 degree. 9 upon 10 degree. This conversion we can use for converting this grade into degree. So 1 grade is equal to 9 upon 10 degree. So multiply by 9 by 10 here. This is 2x upon 3 into 9 by 10, this much degree, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 2 5s are 10. So 3x upon 5 degree. 5 degree. 3x upon 5 degree. Second angle, theta 2 is equal to 3x upon 2 degrees. 3x upon 2 degrees. It is already given in degree. And theta 3 is equal to pi x upon 75 radians. Pi x upon 75 radians. So convert this radian into degree. Since pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So multiply by 180 by pi here. Pi x upon 75 into 180 by pi. This much degree. Pi cancelled. Cancel this by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. Again by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So this is 12x upon 5 degree. Okay, so all three angles we got in degree. Now we can use the property of triangle, angle sum property of a triangle. By angle sum property of a triangle, theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 is equal to 180 degree. Substitute the values of theta 1, substitute the values of theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 here. Theta 1, 3x upon 5 plus theta 2, 2x, 3x upon 2 plus theta 3, 12x upon 5. 12x upon 5, all these in degrees, is equal to 180. Calculate the value of x from here. Take LCM. LCM of 2 and 5 is 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15x plus 5 2s are 10. 12 2s are 24x is equal to 180. By cross multiplying, 6x plus 6x plus 15x, 21x plus 24x, 25x. Sorry. 6x plus 15x, 21x plus 24, 25 plus 20, 45x is equal to 180 into 10, which implies x is equal to 180 into 10 divided by 45. 5 2s are 10. Simplify this. 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 9 2s are 18 and 0. So x is equal to 22 is 40. Now substitute this value of x in theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Now theta 1 is equal to 3x upon 5 degree. 3x upon 5 degree. So this is 3 upon 5 into x is 40 this much degree. Simplify this. 5 5 8 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24. So this is 24 degree. Theta 2 is equal to 3x upon 2 degree. 3x upon 2 degree. This 3 upon 2 into 40 degree. Cancel by 2, 2 10, 2 2s are 4 and 0, 20 times, and this 23 is 60 degree. And theta 3 is equal to 12x upon 5 degree. 12x upon 5 degree is equal to 12 upon 5 into x 40 degree. 5 8 ja 40 and 12 8 ja 96 degree. Hence the angles of triangle, hence the angles of a triangle are 24 degree, 60 degree and 96 degree.